All right, so this is how you add new data to your Winogradsky column. So this, I'm talking about the different bottles, and you will need to do day 0 for the first day, and then you're going to do it twice a week, Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, so you can look at the example data, and this just shows you what your data collection will look like each time. So there are pictures with descriptions. You can see how those go. There's a summary of things that you think are happening, and then any questions and to-do or research needed. So basically, every time you go to collect more data, you'll look at what you thought last time and then see if you can answer those questions, or you'll know things you need to go and find out, looking at background or other things, asking your classmates, asking me, that sort of stuff. There are instructions. These are on each of the pages here, each one for the different columns. And then, you can go through those, see how to name your files when you're storing them on your computer, your Google Drive, your Dropbox, your OneNote, or wherever, not OneNote, OneDrive, wherever you want to store those. And then copying the entry. So here's the basic idea of what all this tells you, in the bottom part at least. So in the column, what you'll do, and here are those instructions again, is to take this entry. You can see this is the template entry. Do not write on this, copy the empty one. So that's what this is. And there are instructions for how to copy with a link, but you're just going to click on the 3 dots and click copy. Then you're going to come down to data here, and there you're going to insert it. So you can either do new copied entry, and that'll insert it, or I'll delete this. You can go here and do the insert into the page. So I just hover over where I want to insert it, and then insert. It's a little bit of finagling. Copied entry, same thing. Then you'll change that, so it'll be day 0, the first day, and you'll put the date in. You can see how I had that in the example. Okay, and then you'll put your stuff in. You'll just click on it to edit it with the pencil. You're going to insert your pictures. I tell you how to do that. You can use the insert the image there, or even a fast insert here, insert image. I've been making mine, so when you insert it, oh, these are my, let's see, have it. Let's just pretend this is a Winogradsky column picture. Okay. So then I've inserted it. It's too big, so you could drag it, but it's also easy just to do change size. I've been changing it, leaving it on auto, and I think I was doing the height 300 for the bottles. You can play around with it. Of course, you can always make it bigger later when you need to see it, so we could even do it smaller just to keep the pages a little tighter. If you click on this, if you click on the picture and you don't see the menu, sometimes it pops up above, like way up the page, so you might just need to scroll and go find it, okay? And so then you do the same thing over here. And then you'd write your comments, and then for the flash, the no flash of your column on the inside. This is the sun side. This is the surface on the top. You don't have to have both of them, whatever you can see it the best way. These guys I want flash and no flash though, because sometimes you see different things with those. And then you'd write your summary of what's going on in your observations and research, like in the example. I'm going to delete and cancel this now, because I don't want one at the bottom already for you, because I want you to copy it every day. Oh, I should do this though. Okay, if I do a copied entry. Now, once you have that day, next time you come back, you'll do the same thing. You take your template and you're going to copy it. Now you can decide whether you want your notebook to run from day 0 at the top to, day whatever, I don't know, 37 at the bottom, or whether you want it to run from day 0 at the top or the bottom to day 37 at the top. So do you want it to run, from top to bottom or bottom to top? If you want it to go to the bottom, then you can just click and enter your new empty copy at the bottom. If you want it to be the newest at the top, you just go underneath the data and insert your next entry here. That's another empty copy, so you can see now I have 2. So this would be day 0 and this would be day 5 or whatever. I guess we'll do it on, like I said, Tuesdays and Saturdays. Anyway, so let me delete these so that they don't mess up your pages, become weird. Okay.